Breaking bad habits is a challenge that many face, but with determination and the right strategies, it is achievable. The first step in this journey is self-awareness. By identifying and acknowledging the habit you wish to change, you gain clarity and understanding of its effects on your life. Self-awareness can be further enhanced by maintaining a journal to track triggers and emotions associated with the habit. Once you're aware, the next step is setting specific and achievable goals. Instead of vague resolutions like stop procrastinating, define what that looks like. For example, spend 1 hour daily on focused work without distractions. Breaking it down into small, manageable steps allows for incremental progress and lessens the feeling of being overwhelmed. Replacement is key in disrupting the cycle of a bad habit. Identify healthier alternatives that satisfy the same need or desire. For instance, instead of reaching for a sugary snack when stressed, practice deep breathing or take a brisk walk. This shifts your focus and gradually diminishes the hold of the old habit. Accountability adds another layer of commitment. Share your goal with friends or family, or join a group with similar aspirations. When others are aware of your journey, you create a support network that provides encouragement and holds you accountable. Positive reinforcement can also keep motivation high. Celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's treating yourself to something special or simply acknowledging your progress, rewards fuel your drive. Finally, be patient with yourself. Breaking a bad habit doesn't happen overnight. Relapses may occur, but instead of harsh self-criticism, practice self-compassion and examine what led to the lapse. Learn from setbacks and continue moving forward. Incorporating these strategies in a dedicated manner can significantly enhance your ability to break free from the grip of bad habits. With persistence and the right mindset, creating healthier patterns is within your reach.